my next thing. That's today's project of the day. And it's to start cleaning out my refrigerator. And I came to that decision because I bought this big Lazy Susan on sale. See? And it's been sitting on the counter all week. Therefore, that became my next thing. Now, I've also been doing my one thing a day, which is to do one decluttering, cleaning, or organizing thing. Getting back to things kind of slow. So, I have chosen this second shelf in the refrigerator. And I chose it because things tend to get lost on that shelf. The small things get pushed to the back, never to be heard from again until we find them either expired or spoiled. So here's the process. Let me close the refrigerator. Okay, here's the process that I'm going to use. First of all, I'll take everything off out of the shelf, put it on the kitchen island. Then I'm going to clean the shelf, just that shelf only. Then I'm going to discard everything that needs to be discarded. And then I'm going to put it all back organized in the new Lazy Susan. And when I finish, I'll show you the results. Okay, back with the results. This is my clean second shelf. See how easy I can find things with the new Lazy Susan? And I've got extra space. That took all of 9 minutes. So that's my one thing for today. Now I can get on to other things. Thanks.